Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to block private calls on Android. Blocking private or unknown calls on Android helps reduce spam and unwanted interruptions from hidden numbers. Most Android phones include built-in call blocking or spam protection features in the phone app. The exact menu names may differ depending on your device brand and Android version. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the phone app. Tap the menu icon or the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings from the menu. Tap Blocked Numbers or Call Blocking. Look for an option like Block Unknown or Private Numbers. Enable the toggle to block private or hidden calls. Confirm your selection if prompted. Go back to the main call settings menu. Find Caller ID and Spam or similar option. Enable spam protection features for additional filtering. Return to the home screen of the phone app and test by having someone with a private number call or simulate with another device. Check your call log to confirm that private calls are being blocked or sent to voicemail. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.